Hi there. Welcome to Daily Money, where you can pick up essential finance tips and make smarter financial decisions. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic, your credit card's payment due date. This is the deadline to pay at least the minimum due on your credit card to avoid these late fees. But did you know leveraging this due date can actually benefit you? Let's break down 3 important dates. The transaction date, which is when you make a purchase. The statement closing date, which is when your credit card company tallies what you owe. And the payment due date, which is your last chance to pay before extra charges kick in. Imagine your statement closing date is the 4th of every month, like this past April 4th. Your payment due date would then typically be between 21 or 25 days later, say around April 26th. If you purchase something on April 1st, you will have until April 26th to pay. However, if you buy it on April 5th, it won't appear until your May 4th statement, giving you until May 26th to clear the payment. That's a full 51 days without any additional charges. So, mastering your credit card's due dates puts you in the driver's seat. Understand how these dates work, and you will be paving your way to financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe to keep up with our latest videos. Catch you next time and stay savvy with your money.